2012 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, OnStar, navigation system, heated seats, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, front. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.